Hello, today we will guide you through how to clone project in KoboToolbox. If you need to make a copy of an existing project so you can reuse its structure, questions, or settings without starting from scratch, cloning is a quick and practical option. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to do that in KoboToolbox in a simple and reliable way. To begin, open KoboToolbox and make sure you are on the project's homepage. This is where all of your available projects are listed, and it's the starting point for finding the project you want to duplicate. If you manage many forms, it can help to take a moment and confirm you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Next, click on the project you want to clone. In this example, the selected item is called Sample Project. Opening the project first is important because the cloning option is found inside the project view rather than directly from the main homepage. Once the project is open, look at the top of the screen and click on the Form tab. This area gives you access to the form-related tools and options for the project. If you do not immediately see the option you need, make sure you are in the correct tab before continuing. After that, go to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional actions that are not shown directly on the main screen. It's a common place in KoboToolbox for project management options, including the one we need for this task. From the menu that appears, click Clone this project. Selecting this option tells KoboToolbox that you want to create a duplicate version of the current project. This is especially useful when you want to preserve the original while creating a new version for testing, editing, or adapting for another use. You will then be prompted to enter a name for the cloned project. Type in the new project name carefully. It's a good idea to choose a name that makes the copy easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple versions of the same form. Once you have entered the name, click OK to confirm. KoboToolbox will then create the cloned project for you. After the process finishes, you should be able to find the new copy in your project list, ready for any updates or adjustments you want to make. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a project in KoboToolbox. This is a great way to save time and maintain consistency when building similar forms.